Hi, this is my second video on my Rheem water softener, and in my first video I talked about the basic settings of the washer, 4 or 5 settings that you had to set. And what I said was when the blue light is flashing, that probably means you need some salt, so you need to add salt water to the tank and reset the level indicator on the control panel. Well, what I forgot to mention is that this one has a clean cycle on it, and it will flash a message every 4 months to tell you that you need to clean it, which involves pouring some cleaner into the brine tank and then cycling it. But anyway, first thing to do is, how do you get that light to turn off, and how do you get the clean message to stop flashing on your control panel? The instructions are on page 12 of the owner's manual. It's very simple to turn off the light and the clean flashing message. All you have to do is push any button on the control panel. So randomly I'll pick one button. Let's take this one here. So I pushed it, the light stopped flashing, and it went back to the clock on the display. But the reason that it's flashing is it does want you to add this stuff. So you have to make a decision, because I don't think it's going to go off again for 4 months in terms of the clean display flashing. So you can just ignore it, keep resetting it, and go on with life. I've never had to run a clean cycle on my water softener with any sort of solution or anything for the water softeners that I had previously. So it's like 35 years worth of water softeners. But for purpose of this video, I decided I'd go ahead and give this a shot. I don't think you're going to be able to tell any difference. The instructions are on page 12 of your owner's manual. Talks about the status light and clean reminder and what to do. And there's also some instructions on the bottle, which I'll flash up here on the screen. So what we're going to do is go ahead and pour this in here and start the recycle. So we'll go over to the water softener tank. Of course, here's where we put the salt in, and it's down there about 5. And as it says right here on the cover, it says remove this cover and add your RHWSC water softener cleaner here. So we'll give this a little wiggle, pull this cover off. So the bottle's got a little twist off cap on here, a little child-proof mechanism here, so press down as you're turning it to get it loose. It's got a little foil seal on it. We're going to try and bust that. So we've done that, and then we're going to pour it right into the black tube that we've removed the cover from. Pour in the whole bottle. And then the instructions say to immediately run a recharge cycle. So we'll go up to our display panel, and we're going to go ahead and recharge now. So press for tonight, just press it once, or hold it for 3 seconds. Right now it's on recharge tonight, and then it went to recharge now. So it's actually going to run through the recharge cycle right now. Put the cover back on, and we're going to go ahead and let this run. In a couple hours it should be done. So just to summarize, the blue light was flashing, and then clean was on the display. To clear the flashing light and the clean, just press any button on the display panel and that'll shut it off, I assume for 4 months, and then it'll come back on as a reminder. You don't have to do anything. But in this case, I chose to go ahead and get the cleaner. The cleaner is supposed to extend your warranty on your water softener from 1 year to 5 years, or another 5 years. It's actually on the website where you buy this stuff. Got this at Home Depot. It was $12 a bottle. So thanks for watching, and good luck with your decision on whether to clean or not to clean. And thank you very much.